Hi everyone, welcome to another online Curious Kids program. This month's Curious Kids challenge is to design a marble maze. It's a great rainy day activity, and it's also a great activity if you've got some time on your hands, like during the school holidays. Alright, so what we need is a plate, and you can move a marble around your plate and test it out. I think we need to make some obstacles for our marble maze, and I'm going to demonstrate how you can do that. Alright, so what you'll need is some strips of paper, some scissors, some tape, some markers. You might need some glue, some pencils, and of course you'll need a marble. Alright, so how can we make some obstacles for our marble? Well, we could use one of our strips of paper to make a tunnel, and you would just pop that down on your plate, and you need to make sure that you leave enough room for the marble to go through. It will look a little bit like this. Then you could also design a little wall. To do that, you'll grab a piece of paper and you'll just sort of fold it over just a little bit. Then you'll need to snip the shorter piece of paper, and then you'll be able to bend it and make all sorts of little walls. It will look something like this. Of course, you can use other craft items that you have. Have any straws at home? You could add those to your marble maze. I've even got one of these Pom Poms here. You might be able to use some of your glue to glue that on and create an obstacle, just like that. Let's see what I came up with. I made a marble maze with lots of tunnels. It's even got a start and a finish, because as you're moving your marble around the plate, it just keeps on spinning. To create a start and finish, I got my pencil and I popped a little hole through my plate. Not too big so your marble falls through, but just big enough so it can rest upon there and become your start and your finish point. The most important part of making your marble maze, though, is the design process. You need to plan. I made a little plan here. You need to build it, test it. If you have any problems, modify it, and then try it again. It's a really important process in engineering. But what about experimenting with some other things that you have around the home? Like, I found some pegs and some pop stick and this cardboard tube. And I made a marble maze with a cardboard box. It's got an entry and your marble goes through, and look at this. It ends up going into one of these numbers. So you could even test your math skills by adding up all the numbers. Do you have any Lego at home? Like this? You could make a marble maze out of Lego. I've got an example of a marble maze that I made out of Lego. Just remember to design it, build it, test it, modify, and try it again. Well, I do hope that you try and make a marble maze when you've got some time on your hands. But that's all from me from now. So stay curious, keep experimenting, and see you later.